Guys, let's make some chicken tortilla soup. We'll start by prepping the veggies. I got a red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and a white onion. We're just gonna chop those all up like a medium dice, throw them in a bowl. And don't forget to have some fun while you're cooking. Chop up your garlic, throw that in a little dish, and we got some cilantro too. We're gonna mince that up. Now we're ready. That's our veggies. Chicken, small dice, get your tortillas. That's gonna be our garnish. You gotta have those crispy tortilla strips. All right, let's start cooking. Throw a little bit of oil down in a pan. Chicken goes in. We're just gonna get this all kind of cooked off. Only takes a couple of minutes. Add a little salt and pepper. We wanna get that seasoning on there. Let those go till they're just cooked through. Pull those off to the side. We're gonna start doing our veggies. This soup's really simple, only takes about 30-40 minutes. Start with that garlic, get it in there. Don't let it burn, just let it start softening and throw in your veggies. Mix these all around. Really, there's no set time you have to cook these. If you don't cook them long enough, don't worry. This whole soup's gonna simmer for a little while and everything's gonna soften up. So we're gonna add our salt and pepper. We're gonna get that mixed around again. We're gonna start adding all our other goodies. I got black beans and I've got some corn. We're gonna throw our chicken back in there. Give that a nice stir, get it well mixed up. We're gonna go ahead and add in our chicken stock. Again, no set amounts. I'm just gonna pour it in until I get all this basically covered. I'm gonna add a couple cans of crushed tomatoes and I'm gonna add 1 can of tomato paste. That's gonna help this all thicken up. As for my spices, I've got cumin, chili powder. Get a healthy amount of these spices in there. That's gonna be your main flavoring. I've also got some dried Mexican oregano, and I'm gonna add that cilantro that we chopped up. Give this a nice stir. We're gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes. All those flavors are gonna marry. It's just gonna come together beautifully. At this point, just turn the heat down a little bit and let that go for a while. Now it's time to serve it. Just throw a couple scoops into a bowl. We're gonna top that with some nice melty cheese. Hit that with our tortilla strips. I got a little bit more of that fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime. That's it, guys. Super simple. Look at that. Just get in there and enjoy. This soup was amazing. One of my absolute favorites and perfect for the fall. What a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.